Hello everyone. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen, Big Flavor.
Hello lovelies. I just wanted to bring you in real quick because I'm going to be making some lentil angel pasta and with some shrimp that I have already seasoned with. You can find this seasoning at Walmart. It's really good. It's got a little bit of a kick to it, but not too much. I have here some butter, olive oil, and a garlic minced. And all I'm going to do is saute. In the meantime, I have here my lentil angel pasta going. It's not going to take very long. And then on this end, I have some, what is this thing called? Lord. Asparagus that I'm going to be adding to it. This is going to be very simple. I'm also going to be adding some wine. And that is all. I'm just going to saute this real quick. And everything is going to come together very, very fast. I'm going to add my, you can add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Because that's all I'm going to put in here. Like I said, very, very simple. I don't want it to be complicated. The last thing that I'm going to add is going to be the pasta, of course. For right now, I want to add my asparagus so they can start kind of cooking a little bit, but stay firm at the same time. Now, how I prep my asparagus is obviously I take the hard part off, I clean it, and then I submerge it in cold water with a little bit of salt, and I let it hang out there for a little bit, so that if it has any sand or any dirt, all of that can come out. Rinse it a couple of times, and that's it. This smells amazing, by the way, guys. The garlic in here, that is. Everything tastes better with garlic. All right, so all I'm gonna do is saute this for a little bit. And then I'm gonna add my shrimp probably. And the last thing I'm gonna add is probably gonna be my I'm gonna add my shrimp, and then I'm gonna add the pasta. It's gonna be the last thing. Correction. And then at the very end, to top it off, I'm gonna add cherry tomato after I turn it off. So I don't want the tomatoes to be fully cooked. I just want them to be, nice and firm. You see my pasta, how's it doing? It looks like it's coming along just fine. I'll bring you back, guys. So I added my wine, I'm adding my shrimp, like so. And then I'm going to add my pasta. But this is it, pretty much. I'm gonna wait for my shrimp to get a little bit done. I'll bring you back in a minute when I add some just olive oil, butter, red onion chopped, nice and diced, garlic, a good sized garlic, saute some asparagus. You saute that first with the butter and the garlic and the onions. And then you add your shrimp, and the last thing is your pasta. Obviously, I'm sorry, I skipped a step. So when you're sauteing the onion, the garlic, and the asparagus, that's when I added my wine. So there you have it, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.